Why do 70% of businesses struggle with tool implementation? Because the right tool isn't just about features, it's about fit. In today's fast-paced business world, having the right tools is crucial. But here's the catch. Many companies realize too late that their chosen tools aren't a perfect fit. Why? Because tools should reflect your unique processes, not the other way around. Imagine this. You've invested in a high-end CRM system, but your team struggles to use it, leading to frustration and wasted resources. That's where we come in. At Invideo AI, we don't just know tools, we understand business operations. We help you identify and implement tools that align perfectly with your workflows. Think of us as your strategic partner. From initial assessment and tool selection to training and ongoing support, we're with you every step of the way. Our goal? To ensure long-term value and operational excellence for your business. So, why settle for less? Choose the right tools with Invideo AI and set your business up for success. Ready to make the smart move? Let's get started.